Maybe I'm just not good at braiding. I'm definitely not good at braiding. Let me not pretend that I am. I don't even braid my own hair. All right, Timba. Ooh, that's kind of good. Wait. I just had some good chunks. All right, hang on now. We need a professional. This is not going well for me. Wait. There's a little braid there. Hang on. Let me cap it or hair tie it. Oh, it looks bad. It's bad. We can use it for hair tie. Let's see. This is Timba's little braid. Look at the little tiny braid. I'm sorry.